Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in BitPay account. To log in BitPay account, first open any web browser that is available on your mobile phone. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.bitpay.com. Then tap on the arrow icon. With that, you'll be taken to official website of BitPay. Now here you can see three lines on top right corner. Tap on three lines. Then tap on login option. With that, you'll be taken to the login page. Now here to log into BitPay, first enter your email address that you have used to create your BitPay account. Then enter your correct password. After that, click on the option of submit. Now here you need to verify your account. To verify your account, you need to select the images associated with the given topic. Mine is bicycle. To do that, tap on the images with bicycle. Then tap on option of verify. With that, you will be logged into your BitPay account. As you can see here, my BitPay account has been logged in. This is how we can log in BitPay account on mobile phone. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.